what are the measures to be taken for a healthy heart? And the answer is really quite simple. One has to pay attention to the 5 traditional risk factors for heart disease, which are high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, smoking, and physical activity. So let's tackle them one by one. Blood pressure, one should have one's blood pressure checked by a doctor periodically, and if you have high blood pressure, you should get it treated. You should have a blood test every so often for lipids and to make sure that you do not have diabetes. If you have high lipids or if you are diabetic, it is very important to take care of both of these risk factors. If you are a smoker, you should quit smoking and all forms of tobacco immediately. This is by far the single most important piece, is pay attention to what foods you eat and what physical activity you undertake.